Yeah, nigga, what? I stay blazed like brothers. Even if I never said it, you should probably.
We're taking Argent to go catch some fish. We ain't coming back until we catch a fish today. I haven't fished since that last video. Oh shit. We got some tackle boxing, minnows. Last but not least, we got a rod. Uh-oh, stuck. Oh, so we need to grab a few hooks and bobbers, but we got everything. And look, we can't forget this. In case a bear comes out, you can poke it. Boop, boop. Just kidding. I got these. Punch him in the nose. We gotta head to go get our minnows. Some bait. Just woke up a little bit ago, so our energy levels are kind of low. Need a Red Bull. Just kidding. That's early for that. Coffee, baby. Oh shit. Sounds like I hit something. I don't want to kill no fish today. Just catch and release. Feel like dispatching fish today, I can? Is it open? Oh yeah.
Probably.
Well, so that gas station was closed. They don't open till 7 a.m. We're gonna get some minnows, but we gotta go kill some time. We ended up going to another gas station, but they don't got minnows and stuff, so I just came to grab something real quick. Got this.
$4.50 for these. $4.59.
Let's get one of them just in case. Oh, there's a 2-pack. Let's get the 2-pack over here, down here. It's all right. Oh, the cheaper ones. Let's check out the minnows. Oh.
These look pretty good. These are these.
Try those. Got the minnows, you know. All right. Out this spot. I see some people catch some pretty big bass here. We're about to arrive this lake over here. It's been a good while since we've been fishing, so hopefully we catch some stuff today. A little rusty again. First cast of the day. Nice, beautiful day. As you can see, got the sun hat on and everything. All right. Hopefully the otter doesn't catch it. I'm not trying to fish an otter. There's a bird over there. He's about to go down and probably catch a fish with his claws, talons, whatever you call them. But there's a shitload of lily pads right here. Gotta be careful not to drop in there. These are pretty good. Nice. There's like otters that keep coming out, jumping back in. But I was gonna say that. But one of the most viewed videos on my channel is when I went to Minneapolis to just try out some wings, because I wanted to try like the best wings here in Minnesota, and that one is like getting a lot of views compared to the most. And I think that's what we're going to be doing next, maybe visiting those restaurants that people keep commenting about, because they say that there's better spots out there in Minneapolis. There's D Spot, like Hickory and some other stuff, but might be doing that next. And yeah, the audio in that video and all my other videos, since they had like a lot of copyright music, like it was removed and stuff, but I'll figure it out. Like a lot of my older videos, they look like they're all screwed up, you know. And yeah, we'll get that figured out. Monetized probably. Gotta get a lot of, I think it's like 400 like watch hours or something like that. It's a lot, but I think we'll get there. And I want to thank all you guys for subscribing, everyone that watches my videos. Even the shorts. I think there's a certain amount of views you have to get for shorts. That's why I keep posting. Trying to make some decent content with my phone. Is it an eagle? It looks like a big bird, like kind of like a hawk. Or something like that. I don't know.
A sparrow.
I think he's gonna glide and catch a fish or no. Roll it in, Chapo. You're gonna do your first cast. All the way in.
Like this?
Yep. But just use one finger, this hand, and book it. There you go. Take two. Now, remember, be careful. Don't get too much ahead of yourself. Don't let go of the rod.
I can't throw it.
All right, take three.
What the? How did it?
Yeah, because this thing will swing back on you. Let me.
Down.
Like there's like a mink or an otter or something right there. Coming right this way. It's right there. What is it? These little birds over here are cool because they have like red on their wings. On each wing they have like a red spot. There he is. Yeah, I think those are called water fleas if I remember correctly. I'm not sure. But it's a whole school of them right there. Just swimming away. There we go. Got him. Haha, he's hooked.
Ooh.
Smaller fish.
Probably bluegill.
Oh! Got away. It was a bass.
Damn!
Oh, you know what it was? The hook. Oh, he just got away. We got another bite.
Shaking.
Oh, I think he got free. Yeah, he got free.
Damn.
Finally, after a good little while. Get back here, boy. You're mine. What? We lost like 4 fish because I think we had a small hook, so we're swapping it out. Hopefully that was a issue. So no luck. We had like a few fishes get away, but you can see that the lily pads are like opening up. All the little white flowers. He's gonna dive in and catch a fish right now. He has sight on something. Look at him. Oh, coming this way. Patrolling the neighborhood. Oh, we got him. Nice. Look at that blue little dragonfly. I don't know what I'm getting. Heading back to the car. Try to stay off the street jumping. At least we got the eagle catching a fish, and then we were close a few times. But we're gonna go get some lunch and then try out our different spot. Re-up on minnows. Imagine.
What are you doing?
That's when you need a ride, hitchhiking. There's our ride. So Arjun just got off to get some bait again. And we took a nap and we ate, so now we're ready. So he's re-upping on minnows. Nice. Now we could get back in business. This is the next fishing spot. Careful. Round 2. Damn insects. I posted a video here before, but it was over there in that other dock over there. You'll see it from over here, but there's a nice fishing spot here. Let's try our luck. Round 2. We don't got lily pads in the way. Dude, I was like a whole different person on that last fishing video that I have when we were here. I feel a lot better, a lot stronger. Gained some weight probably, maybe, I don't know. Watch this. This is a launch right here, look.
Damn.
So not even that much in. It's probably the first minnow I put hook on. We have a fish on.
Damn.
Oh yeah, look, I got one.
he got? Oh, I feel bad for it though.
Make sure you get them
Okay.
after months. No, I said when I caught my fish, I was gonna celebrate it. Look at him. It's not all that, but we're gonna be releasing him. There you go, buddy. That way I can get back. He's charged up and ready now.
Woohoo! Bye bye, buddy. Have a good life. Ow! Ew.
All right, Arjun's turn. It's on him. Oh, I'm almost hooked. His first cast over here. Oh, shoot. Yeah,
Damn, I'm still need practice.
yeah, let me launch it for you. Grab a little bit. I'm gonna feed the little fish over here. Minnesota's a beautiful place. Look. You can see the moon just bouncing off the water. Nice and calm. Have a pretty good fish.
Alright.
Oh,
Ooh.
no, es que se ve con las ramas. But the seaweed is about the same size as the last
Ooh.
one.
Is that the same? We got the same one, bruh.
It's about the same. Look at them.
Mhm.
Well, right before we're gonna take off, it's already getting too late. We got another one. Whoa. Gotta release him. Bye-bye, little one. Oh. Well, that's it for today. It's getting dark. We got swarmed by mosquitoes. We got 2 fish at least, but
I got beat up by mosquitoes.
catch you guys on the next time.